If you're seeing that yellow dash border in GIMP and wondering how to get rid of it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove the yellow border in GIMP in just a few clicks, and I'll also explain what it actually means so you know whether you need to hide it or expand your layer instead. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick GIMP tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's clear up what this border is. That yellow and black dash line is not part of your image, it's simply GIMP showing you the boundaries of your active layer. So if you're editing normally, seeing that border is completely fine, and it will not show up in your final exported image or in a print. But if the border is distracting and you want a cleaner workspace, GIMP gives you a very easy way to hide it. To remove the yellow border temporarily, look at the top menu bar and click View. In the View menu, find Show Layer Boundary and click it to uncheck it. The moment you turn that off, the dash border disappears from your canvas. This is the fastest method if you just want a cleaner view while working, and the best part is, this does not damage anything in your project, it simply hides the visual boundary marker. If you ever want it back, just go back to View and click Show Layer Boundary again to turn it on. So this is perfect if you want to switch between a clean preview and a more detailed editing view. Now, there's another situation where the border can seem annoying. Sometimes your layer is smaller than the canvas, and that makes the layer boundary feel like it's limiting your workspace. In that case, instead of only hiding it, you may want to expand the layer so it matches the full image size. To do that, first make sure your correct layer is selected in the Layers panel, then go up to the top menu and click Layer. From there, choose Layer to Image Size. GIMP will instantly expand that layer so it fits the full canvas. This is especially useful if you've pasted something into the image or started with a smaller layer and want it to cover the entire workspace. So remember the difference here. If you just want the yellow dashed line gone visually, use View and uncheck Show Layer Boundary. If you want the actual layers to stretch to the size of the canvas, use Layer and then Layer to Image Size. Both methods are useful, but they solve slightly different problems. A quick tip: if you're preparing an image for export, you do not need to worry about the border at all. It's only visible inside GIMP while editing. Your final file will not include that boundary line unless it's actually part of the artwork itself. So if you were worried that the border would appear in your downloaded image, you can relax. It won't. If you want the cleanest workflow, I recommend using the View menu toggle whenever you need to focus on your design and only using Layer to Image Size when the layer size itself is causing issues in your project. That gives you more control and keeps your editing process simple. And that's how to remove the yellow border in GIMP. It only takes a moment, and now you know both ways to handle it depending on what you need. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software problem you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.